Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 11 of my non-registered account series, where we try to grow the portfolio to about $55,000 in the first year of investing. And I hope you guys are having a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and a happy holidays. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $11,529. We are up $529 or 4.8% all time in the past day. Unfortunately, the graphs haven't shown yet. We'll go to the weekly. In the past week, we're up 144. In the past month, we're up 233. In the past 3 months, we're up 529. And it hasn't been open for more than 2-3 months or so. So that's why the other graphs are about nil. So we have another $1,000 to play with today. We're going to continue dollar cost average into VFV like we've been doing before. But before we dive into that, just a couple things to mention. I do have a little bit of an unboxing at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. At the end of the video today, we have a little care package from Blossom, so I want to show you guys exactly what I got. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm excited to see as well. For future videos, I know it's getting a little bit repetitive with the non-registered account and buying VFV, but January 1st, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know, TFSA and FHSA accounts reset. So I think the contribution room for TFSA is another $7,000, and then we'll get another $8,000 in the FHSA. So stay tuned into the new year to see what I'm buying with those two accounts too, because what we're going to probably do is put the non-registered account a little bit on pause. And then we're going to max out those two accounts again, and then we'll dive back into the non-registered account. So that's the plan moving forward. Again, like I said, $1,000 to play with today. Let's continue to invest into VFV. We probably get away with about 8 shares or so into the non-registered account here. So we're going to confirm order there. Awesome, that went through, and then we're probably going to go back and buy another share afterwards. But without further ado, I'm going to jump over to the Blossom account so you can see how the total dividends have been accruing with this portfolio, and then we'll go through and do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys today. So we'll check back with you in 2 seconds. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, the dividend forecast is annually we're making about $2,841 in this portfolio, and this is also including the TFSA, FHSA, as well as the non-registered account. On a monthly basis, we're making about $236.77, and then on a daily basis, we're making $7.78. So I'm just going to go to my profile here. If you guys haven't followed me already, go follow me, link in the description. And we just got a little care package here from Blossom. So we're going to open this up for you guys and see what's inside. So I'm pretty excited about this, actually. It's like Christmas. Awesome. So we got a little card. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this sweater. Gorgeous. So we got a nice little sweater, and that's amazing. I'm gonna throw this on actually, and then we'll go through the card and see what else we got. Oh, so comfy. Well, Blossom did great, guys. Champion sweater. That's awesome. Can't wait to wear this in future videos as well. So we got a little care package, I guess, here from Blossom. Really appreciate those guys. The company as a whole, absolutely incredible. Again, if you haven't already, download the app, Social Investing app. Link is in the description. So you got a little card here, and we got a Blossom sticker too, which is awesome. So I'm going to read this card here, and again, thank you so much, Blossom team, Max and Brandon, and Blossom to the moon. So I hope you guys have a great day and week, and we'll see you again next week.